Hello, sir. Welcome, Aliwave Digital Solution. Today we're going to discussion about Google as disapprove issue, and you know that in some cases Google has got disapproved for compromise site issue, malicious software issue, circumventing issue, and you know that when there is some policy error in Google Ads, and you know that disapprove generally happens from the website page. So when Google think that okay there is some potential risk, then they disapprove your Google Ads account. So today we're going to discussion about a real project that recently I have working on it. So if you see that that was my running client that I successfully working on this case. Today is 2 November, and you know that this case was about you know that there is compromise side issue, and it's got disapproved, and my client also tried to multiple time for fix it, but it failed every time. So my client hired me 31 October. So when he hired me, then I working on this case, and if you check now the policy issue, there is no issue. Okay, if you check to the our confirmation mail, that was 2 days ago, I mean 31 October. If I refresh this tab, then you can see that as disapproved. Here the 736715. Here the 736715. Okay. So our concern team is there is the domain should be re-enabled to serve ads once the system sign in a few hours. It can take up to 24 hours. It means that there is no issue there. You can see that Google confirm us that I am glad to inform you that the website is free from malvertising violation. So we now successfully fixed on this case. If I go to the campaign, you just see that now it's all eligible. Okay, eligible. It's also it's also eligible learning period. If you check, if I go to the overview and I check suppose last 14 days data, they just see that all time that I got disapproved. So my client hired me 31 October, and just check the mail is 31 October. That day I fix it. Now from this is running. Okay. If I check today data, it's just start. Okay. If I check we started data, just see that 5 click 86 conversion. So yeah, so successfully we working on it, and you also check the mail. So what is Google has disapproved issue? Why Google disapproved this kind of malicious issue and compromise side issue? Here Google clearly discuss on it on their advertising policy help. That is malware is software that aim to harm or get unapproved access to computer device or network. So when they generally find some risk type of issue, for example, a computer viruses, okay, so you know that there is lots of issue. So when they think that our website is under the risks for our customer, then they disapprove. So we need to working on it, and there is a compromise side issue. There also they think that sometimes our website is risky for credit card schemers installing malware in the device, pop-up ads, redirection issues, and lots of reasons. So you can see that I successfully working on it, and it's running. So if your ads got disapproved for compromise side issue, malicious issue, and whatever the reason, I am a Google policy specialist. I am Muhammad Ali, CEO of Aliwave Digital Solution. You can knock me. Uh, I am always ready to help you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.